Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's probably crossed your mind at some point. Stress and gray hair. We've all heard the rumors, but is there actually a connection? Let's uncover the science behind it and explore how to manage stress and potentially slow down the graying process. Now, let's get scientific. Your hair color comes from pigment-producing cells called melanocytes. These little workhorses create melanin, the pigment that gives your hair its color. When you're stressed, your body releases hormones like cortisol. While cortisol is essential for handling short-term stress, chronic stress can disrupt your body's balance. This imbalance can impact the function of melanocytes, leading to a decrease in melanin production and, ultimately, gray hair. Okay, so stress can contribute to gray hair, but what can we do about it? Let's talk about stress management. 1. Mindfulness and meditation. These practices can help calm your mind and reduce stress hormones. 2. Exercise. Regular physical activity is a great way to manage stress and boost overall health. 3. Prioritize sleep. Adequate sleep is crucial for stress management and overall well-being. 4. Healthy diet. Nourishing your body with balanced meals provides the building blocks for healthy hair. While managing stress is crucial, there are also products that can help support your hair health. Mayraki's anti-gray hair color restoring treatment is designed to help restore your natural hair color. It works by supporting melanin production, the pigment responsible for your hair color. It's formulated with natural ingredients that nourish the scalp and hair, creating a healthier environment for hair growth. So there you have it. Stress can indeed contribute to gray hair, but it's not the only factor. By managing your stress levels and incorporating products like Mayraki's anti-gray treatment into your hair care routine, you can take steps to maintain healthy, vibrant hair. Remember, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional if you have concerns about excessive hair loss or rapid graying. Interested in learning more about Mayraki's anti-gray treatment? Head over to the link in the description below. There you can find more information and see if this product might be a good fit for your hair goals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more hair care tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.